Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing rubber band box braid, and I'm going to be using this rubber band here, this elastic band. I have multiple colors here, so I know the black I have inside, they're not going to be enough for me, so I'm going to be mixing it. I'm going to use the black first, then but if it's not enough for me, I'm going to be using other colors as well. I couldn't get black, so it serves the same, it's not a problem. So yeah, I decided to do it as soon as I take off this stretch, because I love my hair. I wanted my hair to be stretched before doing the hair, so as it to be more easy for me to manage. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to start by taking off the thread I used to stretch my hair. This method to stretch hair is very nice, guys, I tell you. So after brushing each part, I'm just going to start parting the hair and putting it in a chunk or the size I want to use for the box braid. And this style I want to use for this is very simple, guys. It's so simple to the method I'm using for this, because after using going in with the rubber band, I'm going to twist the hair, all the hair, before braiding them. And this will make your hair to be well protected, and it will make it very neat, like seriously very neat. So I'm going in with rubber band now. You can use any one of your choice. I use multiple colors because I could not find only black, but if you can find only black, that works perfect. Okay, so right now I'm just going to let you watch the video and watch how I do the hair. If you are wondering why I didn't take all the stretched thread down, is because I didn't want the hair to be strong, so I'm taking it down one after the other. Like when I'm done with the front side, I will take out this other parts, brush them, and go ahead with the rubber band. This will help the hair to stay soft, like for air not to enter it or for it not to dry. As you can see, I'm done putting the rubber band on my hair. Look at how big the hair is. So now I'm going to go in with my shea butter and start twisting each of the section of hair. I will start picking it one after the other, add a little bit leave-in conditioner and twist them. So I'm going to go ahead to twist all the hair before I start braiding it. This will also give me the chance, like the space I need to twist the hair, and it also makes the hair very neat. So I'm done twisting one side of my hair. Then I'm going to go ahead now to twist the other part of my hair. What do you think about this style? So I'm going to do now, I'm going to start to braid the hair. Braiding the hair is not going to be a problem right now for me because I just have to take it and start braiding the hair. That is the next thing I'm going to be doing. So yeah, it's even beautiful to carry it this way like a little baby girl. So the extension I'm going to be using is this one here. I'm going to be using this extension. I have two of it. I don't know if they are going to be enough, but let me see if they are enough. It's actually a mixed color, so I took it in this color TIB33 Ultra Braid Expression. So that is what I'm going to be using for this. So yeah. To start braiding the hair, I'm just going to take the amount that I want. You know, I'm not doing a little tiny braid. I'm doing something like jumbo braid here. So I'm taking enough amount. So I'll just go to my hair and I will pick one of the twists and start braiding the hair. That is what I'm doing here. This is not a braid tutorial, okay? I'm just showing you the easy way, like the easiest way to make your jumbo twist. So if you want to see, like, there is a lot of video here on YouTube tutorial on how to braid your hair. So this is me showing you one of the fastest way and the neatest way to make your jumbo twist. The whole hair took me about 3 hours to fix, like to make the rubber band, twist the hair, and braid all the hair. It's very, very easy to do and is very, very neat.
Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today.
So as you can see, the hair is really, really nice. I love the size of the hair and I love how the hair is coming out. You can make it a short one as well. So I went ahead to continue braiding the hair, and I will braid the remaining hair off the camera. Like, this is one part of my hair. I'm done braiding that, and I'm going to move over to the other side of my hair. Like I said, this whole hair took me 3 hours to make. Very easy, very neat. You will love it if you try it. Oh, what do you want? Go away. I'm walking. Cheese. Mama, cheese. So the my customer, he came to check on me. I'm done braiding all the hair, and I love the amount I got from the hair. I didn't want the hair to be too full. I didn't want them to be too scanty. And one thing I love about it is how neat they are. They are very, very neat. So Like I said, it took me 3 hours to do. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to put them in a hot water, like the tip of the hair in a hot water. Then I'm going to add some cream and gel to allow them to dry. That is optional as well. If you don't want to put them in a hot water, you can go ahead and leave them like that. So as you can see, I just packed them all up, just trying this style to see how it's going to look with this style up there. But it's very, very beautiful. It's nice. It's very easy to make. Really, I love this style a lot. So this is me trying to put them in a hot water. Be careful when you're doing the hot water, the hot water, okay? Be careful not to get yourself burned up, okay? So after putting it in a hot water, I'm going to use a towel to dry everything. Then I love to add some gel, which is optional, you know. I just love to add it. Then I will leave the hair to dry, and that is basically all for this video. I love this style. It's very light. I don't even feel that I have a protective style on my hair. Like seriously, it took me 3 hours. Again, let me say it again so that in case if you didn't hear me before, you will hear me again. 3 hours, guys. 3 hours it took me to get the whole hair done. You can do it if I can do it. So yes, I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. And just style it in any way you want to style them. You know, it's fun styling and it's very easy to manipulate because it's not very full. It's just a protective style, okay, that is not very heavy. It's not heavy, not very full. So yeah, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, share this video, and let me know at the comment section below what you think about this hair. Thank you and see you all. Bye.